Hey guys, this is an example of a Pop 360 kick, or Pop 3 for short. A Pop 360 is simply a jumping outside crescent kick from a pop setup. A pop setup is a takeoff method in tricking characterized by landing on your non-swing leg, followed by landing on your swing leg, and then taking off of both legs at the same time. There are different ways to do a pop setup based on what trick you're going to do out of it, but for vertical kicking tricks, you want to start facing your target and then step over 180 degrees so that your back is facing your target and then take off with both legs at the same time. Once you're in the air, you want to turn and spot your target. In this case, for Pop 360, it's really only a 180 crescent in the air. So once you do your pop setup and you take off and you spot your target, you outside crescent kick and the trick is over. You just have to land. I like to land with both feet at the same time, but you can also land on your right leg without the terminology changing. A Pop 3 is one of my favorite combo opening tricks because it's a big, easy trick and it can be used so many different ways. You can use it to pop again, like Pop 3 D-leg, hyper it and vanish, hyper it and swing, or land and back sweep, just to name a few potential uses for Pop 3. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. Please like the video and share it with your friends if it was helpful or entertaining. Subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more videos like it, and leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of video you want me to do next. If you need help with any kind of movement, please message me on Instagram at zach.enso, or come out to Enso Movement in Raleigh, North Carolina and train with us. Until next time, take care of yourself, be patient, and keep training.